Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy, Green Pastures Farm. We've got a cattle drive going on right here. We just started going down the gravel road back to the Judy farm. And Kangle, he was leading the way. The cows got to running. He's like, I'm going to get out of the way before I get run over. He's a funny dog, though. Every time we go now, he's like, oh, you're going, I got to be there. Cows are all pretty much just walking. It's a hot morning. I think it's supposed to be like 92 today. And we're on the road by 9:30, so everybody's at work. We're not going to have any traffic because I do have my wife blocking the road up here in front of us so nobody can drive in on top of us. But we're only on this road for probably maybe 15 minutes max. And the cow leaders are right here at the front. There's 181, she's always at the front. They're going to go around me. They're tired of waiting on me. This is just a wonderful practice. If you live in a rural area, we don't have a lot of houses and a lot of traffic. If we had to load that 350 head up behind us and haul them to the next farm, that just would be very, very costly, very stressful on the animals, and it's stressful on us. And you lose weight because you're stressing the animals. The little guys in the trailer are probably going to get stepped on. You know, we've got a 20-foot gooseneck trailer. You try and haul 350 head in a 20-foot trailer. I don't even want to guess how many trips that would be. It'd be more than I'd want to make. And you know, the cows can walk, and they even stop and graze a little bit on the way. There's no stress here. They're just going to the next farm. They know they're going to better grass. That's what makes it work. They're going to better grass. Better than what they came from. Look at that. Just a beautiful, beautiful sight. A road full of cattle. Everything's walking gently along. No stress. No high heads. Here comes Mr. Bull. One of the 47 bulls we've got in here. Boy, he's a dude. Yeah. He knows he's a dude. Like, I'm going to chase that cow up there. I think she's in heat. Look how slick these cows have come off, though. I mean, they've lost their winter hair coat for sure. There's another, ooh, there's a nice bull over there. Oh, there's another nice bull. There's a lot of bulls. Oh, there's a good one. Man, he is thick. This is a young bull right here. Oh, look at him, guys. Lady, that's a good bull. Thick and slick. That's what I like. Thick and slick. Folks, this is Greg Judy signing off. We're having a good time here moving the cows. The cows are happy, and we're happy that they're moving. Everyone have a good day. Take care.